How much of Earth's fresh water is groundwater? Did you know that most of the fresh water we depend on every day isn't in rivers, lakes, or dams at all? Here's a fun fact that surprises almost everyone. About 30% of all the fresh water on Earth is stored underground as groundwater. That's nearly all the fresh water we can actually use, quietly hidden beneath our feet. Think about your daily life for a moment. The water you drink, cook with, bathe in, and use to grow food doesn't always come from visible sources. In many towns and villages around the world, especially where rivers dry up or rainfall is unpredictable, groundwater is the real lifeline. It flows through tiny spaces in soil and rocks, stored in natural underground reservoirs called aquifers, patiently waiting to be tapped by wells and boreholes. What makes this even more interesting is how invisible groundwater is. You can't see it flowing like a river or shining like a lake. Yet it supplies drinking water for billions of people and supports farms that feed entire cities. In dry seasons or during droughts, when surface water disappears, groundwater often becomes the last and most reliable source of fresh water. This is where maps, satellite images, and geospatial tools quietly step in behind the scenes. Scientists and planners use these tools to understand where groundwater is stored, how fast it's being used, and whether it's being replenished by rainfall. By seeing beneath the ground using data and maps, communities can avoid drilling dry wells, reduce water waste, protect water quality, and plan for the future. Groundwater also plays a huge role in climate resilience. As climate change brings more extreme weather, from floods to droughts, having healthy groundwater systems helps stabilize water supply. It acts like a natural savings account for water, storing it during wet periods and releasing it slowly when times are tough. But just like a bank account, if we keep withdrawing without saving, it can run dry. The big takeaway? Fresh water isn't just what we see on the surface. A massive hidden water system is working every day to support life, food, and communities. Protecting it means smarter planning, better monitoring, and understanding that what happens on the land above affects the water below. Did this fun fact surprise you? Type interesting if you learned something new. Agree if you think groundwater deserves more attention, or simply like the post. Share it with someone who loves cool Earth facts, and let us know in the comments what water or geospatial topic you'd like to explore next.